Everybody, Merrill here up in Florida Lanai Curtains and Privacy on Demand. We're up here in Suntree area of Melbourne, Florida, and we are solving a problem where we have a east-facing sun or east-facing lanai, where the sun comes up every morning, shines from here right into this patio area. It just makes it unbearable to sit out here in the mornings, and whether the sun's down lower or up higher depending on the time of the year. So what we did, a customer asked us to install some of our shade sails up in here so that when the sun's up about right here, about the time that they're sitting out here, they can get some relief from the sun and be able to enjoy this space. You can see as we get under the space, the roof edge takes care of a lot of the top, so they didn't really need that done. They wanted to preserve their view of the golf course area, so we've accomplished that for them. But this gives them a few hours of relief from the sun in the morning, keeps the sun from shining on the patio area as well as into the house, which can be quite irritating. So problem solved. Shade sails are up. This is the cactus color of Solo Mesh shade fabric, and it looks fantastic. It complements the greenery, the grass. It just really fits in nicely with all the green that we have going on out here, all the Florida green and the water. So really nice. So good color choice. Shade sails turned out beautifully. This is how they're supposed to look, nice and taut like this. You can see it's a really breezy day. You can see the trees moving, the water moving, but the shade sails, they just barely move because we stretch them nice and taut. So looking fantastic. Job done. If you need shade or privacy in your outdoor space, give us a call at 321-221-9444. Look forward to hearing from you and helping you solve your privacy and shade problems. Have a great day.